Hey everybody, it's Patrick Storch with the Mortgage Firm Tampa, and guess what? We're having another home seller workshop. I'm with Maria Kletchka of the Kletchka Group, and she's going to tell us a little bit more about this great event. It's a home seller workshop. Maria?
Okay guys, so not a day goes by that people don't ask me what is going on in the real estate market right now. There is a shift. You know it, I know it, everybody is feeling it, and everybody wants to know about it. So on March 10th, at the golf club from 10:30 to 12:30, we're going to be talking about what's happening in the market right now, what are the most important things you can be doing to get your home ready for sale, what buyers are looking for that are absolutely must do for sellers, and what mistakes we see sellers making every single day as this shift is unfolding into the second quarter here of 2019. So we're going to have leading industry experts there like Patrick that are going to talk about what's happening in lending, a lot of questions about mortgage rates and where they're headed, how that's going to affect buyers. We're going to have a home inspection company there talking about the pitfalls for home inspection. We're going to have insurance company, title company, so there's going to be a lot of experts there that can help educate you. It's the best 2 hours that you're going to spend on a Sunday afternoon, and we're going to feed you a fabulous brunch. So register in the links that are in this video, and we will see you there.
That's right. March 10th, the Westchase Golf Club. This is about the third year Maria's been doing this, and it's a success every single year. Please show up. You don't want to miss this one.
Thanks, guys.